Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you guys so much for watching. So today we're about to do something quick, Liberian fast stopping. I have something I want to prepare and I want it to be quick, simple and short. You know, African food is never quick and short, but I think this is going to be quick and short. So first of all, I have my chicken here. I have it washed and cleaned and I'm going to season it. I have chicken breast cut up and I have chicken thighs. So let me tell you guys what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna season this chicken and season up this rice and have it cooked in a rice cooker, and then I will do something similar to like a fried rice type. Alright, so this rice, it's brown jasmine rice and I thought it would be interesting to give it a try. I hope it comes out well because I don't want to be eating something weird. I'm used to my white rice. I have my chicken all seasoned. I'm gonna wash this rice, season it up and put it in a rice cooker, and we'll add everything else that we need to add. Keep on watching. Oh my god, look at what it looks like. Look. Wow. My rice is all washed, very clean, and it looks good. So I'm about to put a little bit of seasoning into it. Some salt, some Maggi. Now make sure you season to your taste, you know, based on your rice measurement and everything else. Don't just put a bunch of Maggi's and seasoning into this. Alright, my rice is all seasoned and ready to go. Make sure you don't put a lot of oil, just a little bit so it's not too sticky. And make sure you taste it. Stir your taste. Put it on the fire and let it cook. Then you're asking me why I'm drinking? We're drinking drinks. We're drinking drinks. Lemonade drinks. We're drinking drinks. Alright guys, look at the rice. Looking good so far. So I'm about to fry this chicken. I had it in the refrigerator for a little while to marinate. And I got me some Spam to add. And no, I'm not frying the Spam. I'm gonna fry the chicken however. Let this chicken done.